Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through some of the top 5 best ASIC Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, the ASIC, or the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, is Australia's version of an independent regulatory agency. The ASIC is a self-governing organization that focuses on strengthening investor confidence by regulating financial firms. All financial companies in Australia are required to be registered with the ASIC. Now let's jump into some of the top 5 best ASIC regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have ICMarkets. ICMarkets is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature raw spread and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower leverage, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, and more. ICMarkets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, as well as a variety of video tutorials for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have GoMarkets. GoMarkets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts with up to 9 base tradable currency options and a variety of market instruments. GoMarkets also provides their very own Trading Academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, as well as a variety of video tutorials to help you with any additional education you might be looking for. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is another online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars which you can sign up to if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is another globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable-based currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At last but not least, coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best ASIC regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the most trustworthy broker, the best trading experience, the #1 Forex broker, the best affiliate program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best ASIC Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment, are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.